to show you where I'm living so you can get a feel. So I'm going to flip you around. Okay, so when I first came to this house, there was so much that I wanted to do, including painting all of the walls. So this is the entranceway. This door leads to the garage. This is just a little storage / dog room. And then, so we have a good size landing here. And then a very narrow doorway into a rather large kitchen. I started wanting to paint everything, and then I realized that painting is not my jam after we painted the yoga room, which when I first got here was the living room, and then I changed it into my yoga studio. It's a beautiful room, very cold in the winter. So we moved our living room over to the side here. Yeah, this is our kitchen. Like I said, there's so many things that I would want to change, including the backsplash and the countertops. I would just change them to be a different color, maybe change the island, definitely the stools. But all these things came with the rental. So we are just using them until my sister knows what she's going to be doing. So this here is actually not, well, actually it's very practical. It's also our office. We have lots of family dinners here and there's lots of us, so we use that gigantic table. And this is where we put our living room. So yes, the dog has got unintentionally at the sofa that we covered, but yes, this is the living room. I actually don't mind the dark walls. I would change the tiling on the fireplace, but yeah, this is just what we are making do with. So this is the staircase. This is my storage closet with all of my things. And then over here we have a bathroom / laundry room. Don't need to go in there. This is our front deck / barbecue. I was gonna sit out there so much, but I actually haven't. And then we go upstairs. Now I won't show you my sister's room because I didn't tell her and she didn't clean it up, but this is where I am currently sleeping. And I have put up a little decorative art piece. And this is our upstairs bathroom. Too crazy. And then there's a little office nook space, and then another bedroom, which is also a current storage unit, and then my sister's office, which she will not let me touch because she's afraid I will lose some important documents. So it is a little bit of a disaster. And that is our tour.